Hello, my wonderful, talented friends. This is Emma. You are on my YouTube channel, and today, as always, I'm going to be trading on pocket option and sharing every little step of this journey with you. But I decided to make this session a little extra special, a little extra spicy. And so I came up with an idea to start with just $20 and see how much I can grow this tiny little amount of money using my knowledge, my skills, and my strategies. So, do you want to find out? Because I really, really do. Okay, you know what? I'm also gonna use fractal because I think that is the secret ingredient we are missing. Oh yeah, now it's great. It all makes sense. See, after the consolidation phase, we are seeing the strong upward move with the high volume. The oscillator and the super trend confirm the bullish signal, and the fractal resistance was broken, so it's time to buy. It is time to go up right away. Up and up and up and up. Darlings, and in case you want to significantly improve your trading skills, I will be very happy to help you in my Telegram channel. The link is right below this video, and I share only the best strategies, pro trading tips, and things that help me to make it in the long-term trading journey. $38.40, my first profit, and I think it's a great start given that we only started with $20, and the whole reason of this experiment is to see how much I can grow it. All right, 38 actually I'm gonna place for the next beat. And well, the super trend sent us a sell signal, and the MACD histogram totally supports it. We are anticipating a break below the Keltner channel's midline, and guess what? It is time to sell. So let's sell, let's get that drop happening, and let's take the profit. Great plan, isn't it? That's what I think too. You know what I realized, guys? In my whole life, I only saw just one vampire movie. How about you? It's very interesting statistics, but it's crazy, kind of crazy, just one. $72.96. Okay, let's get the next pair and see what we can do with that. $70 is going to be my next bid. And look, guys, a very strong downtrend is in place. The euro is under heavy selling pressure, and we get the clear signals from both indicators and the oscillator that suggest continued decline. So since we are falling, we are gonna go for a put option. Keep it coming, $134.40. Isn't that wonderful? I love seeing how I can progress. The progress makes me so happy and so fulfilled. You can't even imagine. Okay, next pair. All right. Okay, well, time to get the bids up. $130 for the next one. And look, guys, the price hit a strong, really strong resistance zone. You see the fractal level and the prior candle tops to the left? That's what I'm talking about. And MACD histogram favors further downside. So only one way out, and it's the way down. Time to sell, going for a put option. Time to drop. So that one vampire movie I saw in my entire lifetime was what we do in the shadows. Yes, it's a delicious, really perky comedy about the vampires. I believe the vampires are 100,000 years old. $249 is my new profit, and I am thrilled. Okay, $257 is my next bid. Long way up from the $20. Well, right now the price is trending upward, and MACD as well as the super trend both confirm the bullish move. And also, last but not least, we are holding above the Keltner channel's midline. So it is time to buy, it's time to grow, and time to finally see those green candles. Please share in the comments if you've seen many vampire movies and you can recommend me some, because I think I'm missing out on that subject. I really want to make things right and familiarize myself with the topic a little bit more. Oh my God, $467.74. Pure joy, what can I say? If I was a vampire and I lived 800 years, I still wouldn't be tired of trading. All right, what's happening on this market? Let's take a closer look. Time to increase the bids. $460 is my new bid. And all right, MACD is giving us a solid sell signal, and we are finally leaving the overbought zone. The super trend here confirms the bearish momentum, and the price is about to break below the Keltner midline. So time for a drop, time to sell. Let's go down. Yay! $878. Darlings, let me remind you that we only started with $20 today, and at the end of this session I got almost $1,000. You see? I mean, the difference is bright and clear. And if you also want to make a difference in your life, if you're craving for a change and you want to build consistent results over time, I will help you in my Telegram channel. The link is right below this video, and that's where you find the supportive community, the pro trading tips, the most effective strategies, and my help throughout the whole journey. So make sure to join, and I will see you there, but also on this channel very, very soon. Stay awesome, stay tuned, and enjoy the trading journey. Bye.